You working hard for your money, mommy? You work hard for them biscuits. I know, I'm sorry. That light is so bright in your face. I'm so sorry. But I want to capture you making up the biscuits, mommy. Where are you going? Why you stop? Oh, I'm sorry. The light is so bright. Oh. We're good as long as you don't scratch me with your claws. Okay, Mama? I am so sorry. We need some sunglasses for you so that when there's the bright light in your face, it doesn't offend you. Oh, you're purring. You're purring. My hand is cold. My hand is super freezing. You're so warm. You're so warm. Can you warm me up? Oh. Oh, oh, oh. You're cleaning yourself like you got ice cream on you.